Hi everyone, I'm Christine, co-founder of Glow Recipe, and I'm back with my co-founder Sarah to share what we think is going to be the next big skincare ingredient trend, niacinamide.
Follow along to learn why this ingredient is becoming so popular in the skincare world, and why this is so great for so many skin concerns, and how you should incorporate it into your skincare routine.
First, let's cover the basics. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, which is an essential nutrient for both your skin and your body. It's such a standout ingredient because it helps to overall strengthen your skin, which means that it can also help to treat a huge range of different skin concerns.
Niacinamide supports the production of proteins like keratin, strengthen the skin's lipid barrier, improve skin texture, reduce inflammation, reduce the look of pores, and control oil production.
Because it's an antioxidant, it also helps to protect your skin from environmental aggressors that can make skin look dull and helps to fade dark spots. Over time, it can help to gently brighten skin tone and give you this incredible, healthy glow. It really does do it all, so let's talk about who might want to use niacinamide in their routine.
Niacinamide, because of its healing properties, is one of those ingredients that works really well with other actives. It works really well with antioxidants, such as vitamin C or retinol, exfoliants such as AHAs and BHAs, and when paired with peptides and hyaluronic acid, it works to really give you that plump and healthy looking skin.
Because it has soothing properties, it's great for anyone with sensitive or rosacea-prone skin. Of course, everyone's skin is different, so we always recommend taking it slow when you add any new active ingredients to your routine.
If your skin is prone to dehydration, then you will love niacinamide for its barrier strengthening properties. Remember, if your skin barrier is strong, then your skin is more balanced and is going to retain moisture better.
For best results, you want to look for leave-on products like serums, creams, or toners with niacinamide in the formula that you can use daily. That's exactly why we included this ingredient in our new Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. In this formula, we paired it with watermelon extract, which we know is both hydrating and soothing and chock full of amino acids. We put these two ingredients together, and when used as a serum in your routine, this works over time to create healthy, hydrated skin that glows from within.
But this is more than just a niacinamide serum. You know we love when skin looks glowy and dewy, and we wanted to create a product that actually gives you that dewy, glowy finish in an instant. That's what also inspired the name Dew Drops. And we're calling this product Highlighting Serum because it has all these hydrating properties that make your skin glow without mica, glitter, or pearls, and it doesn't leave a gray cast.
You'll also find niacinamide encapsulated in our Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask to help brighten dark circles, hydrate, and protect the delicate eye area from free radical damage. Niacinamide is one of those incredibly versatile ingredients that can benefit skin of all different concerns, ages, and conditions.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Glow Recipe for all information around skincare and more. Get your glow on!